Hi everybody, in this video, let's look at some SPM past equations. In this video, I will focus on Form 4, Chapter 3, System of Equation. Okay, now let's look at this question. This question is taken from SPM 2021, Paper 2, Section A, question number 1. Solve the following simultaneous equation. This question is pretty straightforward. All the three equations are given to you nicely. You don't have to form the equation yourself. Let me recopy again the equation. The first equation is 4x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0. Second equation is negative 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 8. And the last equation is x minus y minus z is equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, this is the first equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. Every equation consists of three variables. So I would suggest you to take out your calculator, get the answer first. So how do we use our calculator to help us to get the answer for this type of question? It's actually very easy. Press menu, search for equation. Now, simultaneous equation. We have three variables over here, key in 3. So you just need to key in all these coefficients into your calculator nicely. And remember, the constant is on the another side, on the right hand side of the equal sign. And make sure all the terms arranged nicely, x, y, and z. Okay, now let me start keying all the coefficients here. So for you will see a plus sign here. Already have a plus sign here, so you don't have to key in plus. But if you see minus, then you need to key in minus. Okay, so this is 1, and then 2. The constant is 0. Okay, now let's proceed to the second equation. Negative 2 plus 3 plus 1 z. You don't have to key in the z, you just key in the coefficient. And the constant is 8. Okay, last one. 1 minus 1. Okay, this time you have to key in minus. So you can use this or this, both are okay. Minus z, and the constant is negative 1 over 2. Okay, then press equal again, then you will get the answer. X is equal to 1 over 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to negative 3. X is equal to 1 over 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to negative 3. So before you start solving this question, you already know that the answer will be like this. The x will be equal to 1 over 2, y will be equal to 4, and z will be equal to negative 3. Once we get the first answer, we will compare our answer with the calculator answer. So if it's different, then we have to redo it again. So now we have three unknown. No matter you are using elimination method or substitution method, we're actually having the same goal. We want to change the three variable become two variable first. After we change it become two variable, then it will just go back to your form 1 simultaneous linear equation in two variable. Now let's look at the third equation first. From 3. I'm going to rearrange all this term. So I bring the negative y, go to another side. So it becomes x minus z. This bring over here, plus 1 over 2 is equal to y. Okay, y is equal to x minus z plus 1 over 2. Okay, let this one be the fourth equation. So this is from 3. This come out from the third equation. So I cannot bring this, substitute this, go back to the third equation. So I have no choice. I only can bring this into the second equation and also the first equation. So substitute the fourth equation into the first one. So now I know that y is equal to this. So when I see y, I'm going to replace the y by this. So 4x plus y is this. Plus 2z is equal to 0. Okay, so let me simplify. 4x plus x, you will get 5x. So minus z plus, this is negative z, plus 2z, you will get plus z. Okay, so the 1 over 2, I will bring it to another side. It becomes negative 1 over 2. So just let this one be the fifth equation. Now, let me do the same thing for the second equation. I'm going to substitute the fourth equation into the second one. So same thing, when I see y, I'm going to replace the y by this. So negative 2x plus 3y. So remember to put a parenthesis. 3y plus z is equal to 8. Okay, so do some expansion over here. Negative 2x plus 3x. Positive, negative, you get negative. Minus 3z. Positive, positive, you get positive. 3 over 2 plus z is equal to 8. Okay, negative 2x plus 3x, you will get x. So negative 3z plus z, you will get negative 2z. Okay, so the 3 over 2, I will bring it to another side. It becomes minus 8. 8 minus 3 over 2. 8 minus 3 over 2. So you will get 13 over 2. Okay, just let this one be the sixth equation. Okay, now look at the fifth equation and the sixth equation. We only have two variables here. So this one, you just go back to your form 1 simultaneous linear equation in two variables. So I'm going to use elimination method here. So it's totally up to you. You want to eliminate x first or eliminate z first. So here I'm planning to eliminate the z first. So if I want to eliminate the z, I have to make sure the coefficient here become the same. So this is 1, this is 2, different, right? So I'm going to take the fifth equation, multiply by 2, so that I will see 2z over here. So I take the fifth equation times 2. Times 2, times 2, times 2. So it becomes 10x plus 2z is equal to negative 1. Okay, let this one be the seventh equation. So let me copy this one over here so that easier for me to solve it. So x minus 2z is equal to 13 over 2. Now I can eliminate the z easily. Okay, now you see this is positive 2z, this is negative 2z, so we can eliminate the 2z easily. So I'm going to take the 7th equation plus the 6th equation. So 10x plus x, you will get 11x. This plus this, you will get 0z. So we have successfully eliminated the z. So this plus this, just press your calculator, negative 1 plus 13 over 2, you will get 11 over 2. So this is 11 times x. Bring it to another side, it becomes 11 over 2 divided by 11, which means 11 over 2 times 1 over 11. Okay, x is equal to 1 over 2. Once you get the answers of the one variable, compare with the answer given by your calculator. If this is not correct, you have to redo it again. So okay, this is correct. So next step, I'm going to bring the x equal to 1 over 2 into okay, so now we have, you can choose number 5 or number 6, totally up to you. Okay, let me erase this one first. This one, and also erase this one. This is number 5th equation, this is 6. Okay, now I'm going to bring this x equal to 1 over 2 into the 5th equation. Substitute x equal to 1 over 2 into the 5th equation. So 5x plus z is equal to negative 1 over 2. So this is 5 over 2 plus z is equal to negative 1 over 2. So z is equal to negative 1 over 2 minus 5 over 2. Okay, this is negative 6 over 2 means that negative 3. Okay, correct our answer. So let's go to the last one. So for the last part, I'm going to bring the value of x and z into, okay, you can choose any one that you like. So I am going to choose the third one because this look easier. Okay, let me erase this one. Or you can bring in here also. It's totally up to you, still getting the same answer. Okay, let me just use the fourth equation. Substitute x equal to 1 over 2, x equal to 1 over 2, and z equal to negative 3 into the fourth equation. So y is equal to x minus z. Be careful, you have a negative here. So negative become positive. Okay, this is negative 3. Now just press the calculator. 1 over 2 plus 3 plus 1 over 2. Now you will get 4. Okay, are all our answers correct? Let me check. So x is equal to 1 over 2 and y is equal to 4, z is equal to negative 3. So I will encourage you to write again the answer, so easier for us, for a teacher to mark. X is equal to 1 over 2, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to negative 3. Okay, so this is a way how do we solve this type of question.